Hello and welcome to this new video on how to be safe in an Airbnb. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Just click on it and you just have to type Airbnb and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on Airbnb and the Airbnb interface will be open. So this is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in and signed up successfully. So there are the few safety tips for choosing a place that you need to follow. That is, firstly, you need to find what's right for you, and now you need to follow the second step, that is read the ratings and review the safety features. And you just have to ask question to the host and get answer from the host. And you need to always communicate and pay on Airbnb. You just need to do a safety check, and you just need to research local travel alerts and warning. So these are the safety things or the steps or the tips that you can follow in order to be safe in an Airbnb. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.